In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work your Achilles tendon in a closed chain exercise. So firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to have a wall or an object that we can use in case we need it for balance. So what I want you to do is place both your feet quite close together, and you're going to have one foot, the foot that you're not using, coming slightly off the floor, okay? You're going to get your balance and you are going to start to lean forwards. Your ankle's going to come forwards, you're going to come to the wall and then push back to where you were. So I'm coming forwards not only with my hips, but also with my ankle as well without bending the knee. So there's no knee bend here. I want to keep the knee nice and straight. From here, I balance on that leg that I'm working. I don't bring my heel or any of my foot off, and I come to the point where I can't come any further and I allow myself to push back. If you want the harder variation for this exercise, you would balance on that one foot. You can really work the Achilles and soleus by coming forwards, getting that flexion and coming back. Forwards and back. And this time we're not working just one partial range, we're working both. And that is how to work your Achilles and soleus in a closed chain exercise.